How to swap ISLM on DEX with MetaMask Sushi Guide. In the last episode, you learned how to make swaps on DEX using the Hack wallet, but you can also use any other non-custodial Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. To do this, you'll need to ensure you have the MetaMask wallet browser extension installed. Open your wallet. In our case, we're using the MetaMask browser extension. Add the Hack mainnet as a network. Go to sushi.com. Connect MetaMask. Select the swapping pair. Enter the amount. Review and confirm. Check the swap details, including slippage tolerance and gas fees. Approve the transaction. Once the transaction is processed, you can check the status on Etherscan or within your MetaMask wallet. If ISLM doesn't automatically appear in your MetaMask wallet, you can manually add the token by clicking Import Tokens and entering the token contract address. Useful links for safe trading are in the video description below. Subscribe.